Good afternoon, Miss.
Difference, yeah.
Yeah. Today we are going to do the evaluation since this week is about review week. So here we just do the evaluation for the homework that will be discussed in this week. You can start from the first week. It takes from 18 July actually. So here we have this homework of science. You can start from the question number one. Miss.
Okay, what is produced during photosynthesis? It is C, both A and B. What is taken in by plant during photosynthesis? It is B, carbon dioxide and water. So, number 3.
Oh yeah.
What is the green pigment in leaves that capture sunlight for photosynthesis? It is chlorophyll. What did Helmont initially think the willow the tree gains its mass from? The water.
Okay.
What process do plants use to make food and gain mass? Photosynthesis. What is absorbed through the roots of the plant from the soil? Water.
Okay. Next.
Biomass is the total mass of living things in a specific area or ecosystem. True. The process of plants use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to make their own food is transpiration. False. Because the process of plants use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to make their own food is photosynthesis. Substances are materials or things that make up objects or living things. True. Number 4, submerged is coloring substances found in plants or animals. False, because submerged is to dip something into liquid. That's submerged. Number 1, log has mass, as it is made up of cells and tissues. Tree needs food and energy to grow and make new cells and tissues. In the past, people thought that plants obtain food from the soil.
Yeah.
Number 4, carbon dioxide from the air is taken in by the plant. Number 5, there are many tiny openings called stomata.
Okay. First one is. Okay. You can start from the A side.
How does plant gain mass? The plant gain mass through the process called photosynthesis. How does the process of photosynthesis? The process of photosynthesis where carbon dioxide and water converted to produce oxygen and sugar or glucose by the presence of sunlight. Why do we see bubbles coming out from the underside of the leaf when it is soaked in warm water? Because the gases enters and leaves the plant through the stomata. How do we know if a leaf has made food? We know if a leaf has made food if it contains starch. Number 5, sir.
Number five.
How does carbon dioxide needed for photosynthesis enter the plants? So the carbon dioxide enter the plants through the stomata.
Okay. Next question we go to math.
The numbers,
Let me check which one first. Where is it?
maybe it's too smaller. So.
Yeah. Maybe you can start from the filling blanks on this. Where were we before? Oh yeah. Okay, here we have the question, but
Can you make it bigger? Yeah. This way.
yeah, I think this one is already right. Okay, we can
There's
start
a
from
way
the
of representing numbers. Wait, what's that? I try to remember.
Yeah, sure.
There's a way of representing numbers. Can I see the from the first? Sorry.
Sorry.
Now from the first. Wait. It's a way of representing numbers. I skip this. The set of whole positive numbers is called
21st until 25th.
wait, plus blank is a way of representing numbers. The set of positive numbers is called. Okay, I skip first.
Maybe you skip the
Yeah.
numbers.
Number 8 also. Okay, number 9. Represent is to show something in particular way. Venn diagram is a visual tool with circle to show relationship between sets. Grouping things based on similar characteristic or qualities is called grouping things. Grouping things based on similar characteristic or qualities is called qualities. Similar characteristic is called classify.
Classify, yeah.
Numbers cannot be expressed as a simple fraction is cannot be expressed as a simple fraction is irrational.
Yeah.
All integers are rational. All natural are integers. Okay, again, sir. Positive numbers.
Where is it before? Where does it get back? Here, right?
Well, just now the set of whole the set of whole positive numbers are natural numbers.
Which one? This?
Number 8,
Oh,
natural numbers.
it's a natural number. Okay, next.
Okay, I
But
skip number
seven
7
not yet,
first.
right?
Yeah, I skip number 7 first.
It's okay.
Right. All natural are integers. Number 15, integers include positive numbers, 0, and this is negative numbers.
Yeah.
The number 5/2 is called rational. Division is the inverse of multiplication.
Yeah. Inverse of multiplication. So, okay. Maybe we can go to IPA now. Oke, kita mulai dari pertanyaan nomor 100.
Mikroskop monokuler dan mikroskop binokuler memiliki cara kerja yang berbeda. Salah. Mikroskop monokuler dan binokuler memiliki cara kerja yang sama. Hanya lensanya saja yang berbeda. Monokuler lensanya 1, binokuler lensanya 2. Pengarah kasar digunakan untuk memperbesar bayangan objek. Salah. Pengarah kasar digunakan untuk menaikkan dan menurunkan tubus. Revolver digunakan untuk memilih ukuran lensa objektif. Benar. Skrup di bagian belakang mikroskop digunakan untuk mengatur sudut berdirinya mikroskop. Salah, karena posisi skrup itu bukan di belakang tapi di samping mikroskop. Apa yang digunakan untuk menghubungkan lensa okuler dan objektif? Tubus. Jenis sel yang tidak memiliki inti sel prokariot. Lensa apa yang digunakan untuk memusatkan cahaya pada objek yang diamati? Lensa kondensor. Apa alat yang memungkinkan kita melihat objek dengan menggunakan satu mata? Monokuler.
Ya. Lagi.
Disebut apa tentang mengaitkan pengetahuan baru dengan pengetahuan yang sudah kita miliki sebelumnya? Apersepsi.
Apersepsi, oke.
Menurut pendapat mengapa mikroskop itu penting? Mengapa mikroskop itu penting? Karena mikroskop tidak hanya digunakan untuk melihat benda kecil, tetapi juga melihat sel, jaringan, dan cara kerja suatu objek atau makhluk hidup. Cara kerja mikroskop cahaya. Bagaimana cara kerja mikroskop cahaya? Pertama-tama kita harus siapkan mikroskop cahaya. Kemudian kita beri keterangan pada objek yang akan kita amati. Kebetulan itu di bukunya kerja dengan guru, tapi ini saya sudah jelaskan ke murid-murid. Kemudian setelah kita beri keterangan pada objek yang kita amati, kita letakkan objek tersebut di meja preparat. Kemudian kita akan mengamati objek tersebut dengan menggunakan mikroskop cahaya. Bisa kita gunakan serpian seperti serpian koran sebagai objeknya untuk kita amati dengan menggunakan mikroskop cahaya. Kemudian kita berikan hasilnya. Mengapa mikroskop cahaya banyak digunakan untuk pengamatan di sekolah? Karena dengan mikroskop cahaya kita menggunakan sinar matahari dan cahaya matahari dan lampu. Dan mikroskop cahaya ini juga lebih gampang digunakan, bahkan bisa memperbesar bayangan hingga ratusan kali, dan juga lebih ringan dan lebih mudah dan lebih murah dibandingkan mikroskop elektron. Mengapa reflektor tidak bisa diarahkan pada sumber cahaya langsung ketika menggunakan mikroskop? Karena terlalu banyak cahaya dapat merusak mata. Mengapa Anthony van Leeuwenhoek disebut dengan bapak mikrobiologi? Karena dengan mikroskopnya Anthony van Leeuwenhoek mampu melihat benda-benda kecil atau benda-benda yang aneh dengan setitik air dari jerami.
Okay. Now we move to the next homework. Okay, Miss. Can start from the question number 1.
What is the transport system of a flowering plant made up of phloem and xylem?
Yeah, wait first. I think we can skip this one because we just take from the true and false question. Okay, here, Miss.
Strangling is when a plant grows around another plant and squeezes it. True.
Okay, thanks.
The tubes in a plant that carry food is xylem. False. The tubes in a plant that carry food is phloem. Veins are the tubes that run through the leaves of a plant. True. Transpiration is the main part of plant that holds it up. Transpiration. False. It's stem.
Yeah.
Some store food made by the plants. Some roots.
Yeah.
Xylem and phloem are found throughout the plant. The xylem transport water and mineral salts from the roots to the other parts of the plant.
Okay, next.
4.
Number 4.
The phloem transport food made in the leaves during photosynthesis. Xylem vessels are made up of dead cells with thick and stiff walls at the side.
Okay.
How do water and mineral salts absorbed by the roots reach the leaves? How do water and mineral salts absorb the roots? Inside the plants there are thin walls called.
Yeah, this one, right?
There are inside the plant there are thin walls called xylem and phloem. So xylem used to transport the water and mineral salt throughout the plant, while phloem transport the food to the parts of the plant.
Okay.
How do water and minerals move up against gravity instead of flowing down? It's because of the transpiration. How do roots absorb water and minerals quickly? Roots absorb water and minerals quickly using the xylem. Why do plants have xylem and phloem vessels?
Sorry, Miss. For the question number 3, it's not really match with this answer here, actually.
Hmm?
It's not really match with this answer. There's no xylem here. Xylem here. How do roots absorb water and minerals quickly?
How do roots absorb water
Yeah,
and
there is
minerals?
some features in the there are some features in the roots actually that allow the roots to absorb water and mineral.
Oh, there's no xylem.
Yes.
Okay, I forgot this one.
Yeah.
Why do plants have xylem and phloem vessels? Why do plants have xylem? To transport, the water, food, and nutrients throughout the plants. Why does xylem transport water and minerals from roots? Why does xylem transport water and minerals from roots? Why does xylem transport water and minerals from roots? Why does xylem transport water and minerals from roots? To provide nutrients
Yeah.
for the
To
plants.
provide the necessary nutrients.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we move to math. So I get back. Okay, here we have the math homework.
Break number into small numbers that are multiplied by factorization. A number multiplied by itself is square.
Yeah.
The number that when multiplied by itself gives the original number is called roots. Cubes is a number multiplied by itself cubes 3 times. The smallest number that can be divided by 2 or more number is the smallest number that can be divided by 2 or more number. Exponent.
No, it's not.
Wait, first. The
Yeah.
smallest number that can be divided by 2 or more numbers is wait. LCM.
Yeah.
Least common multiple. The largest number that can divide 2 or more numbers is HCF, highest common factor. The number that when multiplied by itself 3 times gives the original number is called cube roots. Any
Yeah.
numbers divided by itself is 1. Prime numbers are whole numbers greater than 1. Prime numbers only have factors 1 and themselves.
Yeah. This one is.
How would you find the
Let's try to answer the question number 19 only. The LCM of 12, 15, and 14.
120?
It's 120.
20, yeah.
Yeah, it's
But we
100.
need to make the root actually, it's longer.
Yeah, it's okay.
120.
18. So 18.
2 times 3, 6.
6.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
6.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. How would you find all the
Okay. It's
already?
okay. It's okay. Now we move to IPA. Ya, kita mulai dari soal nomor 1, Miss.
Bagian sel yang sama antara sel tumbuhan sel hewan. C. Membran sel, inti sel, dan sitoplasma. Fungsi utama membran sel adalah membran sel melindungi sel. Inti sel atau nukleus berfungsi untuk semua jawaban benar. Lubang-lubang kecil pada membran inti berfungsi untuk lubang-lubang kecil. Lubang-lubang kecil mengatur keluar masuknya zat. Apa perbedaan utama antara mikroskop cahaya dan elektron? Semua benar.
Oke.
Fungsi reflektor pada mikroskop adalah memantulkan cahaya ke lensa objektif.
memantulkan cahaya ke lensa objektif. Oke.
Kromosom dan nukleoli berada dalam sitoplasma. Salah. Kromosom dan nukleoli berada di dalam nukleus.
Ya.
Sitoplasma merupakan bagian seperti gel yang mengisi seluruh ruangan dalam sel. Benar. Mitokondria menyediakan energi yang diperlukan oleh sel untuk melakukan berbagai fungsi sel. Benar. Struktur mitokondria terdiri atas satu lapisan membran. Salah. Struktur mitokondria terdiri atas dua lapisan membran dalam dan membran luar. Apa yang dihasilkan mitokondria dari proses oksidasi makanan? Apa yang dihasilkan mitokondria dari energi?
Oke. Next.
Apa nama cairan sel yang berisi organel sel? Sitoplasma. Disebut apa bagian terpenting dalam sel yang mengatur segala aktivitas dalam sel? Nukleus.
Nomor 4.
Apa yang berperan dalam pembelahan sel? Sentriol.
Oke, next.
Apa nama organel dalam sel yang mencerna dan merombak zat yang tidak dibutuhkan? Organel mencerna dan merombak mencerna dan merombak. Sentrosom?
No.
Tunggu. Organel sel yang mencerna dan merombak. Lisosom.
Ya, lisosom.
Bagaimana langkah kerja dalam mengamati struktur sel? Panjang kali. Pertama, kita siapkan sendok kecil dan kita sterilkan. Kemudian kita kerok bagian dalam pipi dan kita keringkan dulu. Kemudian kita taruh gliserin, baru kita taruh di meja preparatnya. Kemudian kita amati hasilnya.
Okay. Okay, Miss. Now we move to the next homework. Yeah, here it is. You can start from fill the blanks only. This is oh yeah,
From
first August.
August.
Yeah.
In the past, people thought that plants obtain food from the soil. Carbon dioxide from the air is taken in by the plant. There are many tiny openings called stomata. Some roots store food made by the plants. Xylem and phloem are found throughout the plant.
Yeah. Next.
How does the process of photosynthesis? The process of photosynthesis is by converting water and carbon dioxide to produce oxygen and sugar or glucose by the process of sunlight. How do water and mineral salt absorbed by the roots reach the plants? Through the xylem. How do we know if a leaf has made food? It will contain starch. How do roots absorb waters and minerals quickly? Skip.
Yeah. Next, number 5.
Why do plants have xylem and phloem vessels? Because xylem and phloem important for plants to transport air, water, and nutrients throughout the plants.
Okay. Next, we move to math. You can start from this question. This question, part A, yeah.
Minus
Question
14
number
square. See? Oh, 169. 96.
Yeah, 96.
How would you find 2.56? Yeah.
Yeah.
The cube of 6 is 216.
Yeah, 216.
The positive square root of 289 is 17.
Yeah.
The cube root of minus 512 is minus 8.
Yeah.
What is the square roots of 9.61? 3.1.
3.1. Okay.
Yeah. Rules that tell us how to work with numbers that have exponent is index laws.
Yeah.
Is the process of breaking down into smaller factorization. Breaking number into smaller that are multiplied is called prime factorization. A number multiplied by itself is called square. Symbol is sign with special meaning. Systematic evaluation process is arithmetic. Following is act of coming after or adhering to something. Positive numbers have two square roots. The symbol represents a positive square root. The symbol represents a cube root. Negative numbers do not have real square roots.
Yeah.
How would you?
Okay, just one question only. Question number 19.
How do you find the cube root of 343? It's 777. It 49, 7. 7.
Yeah. Okay, Miss. I think that's all for our evaluation today about reviewing the homework. Thank you, Miss.
Yes, sir.